A researcher is conducting a significance test at a 5% level of significance to determine if the average weight of apples in a farm is 300 grams. Assume that the null hypothesis is false. If the researcher decides to decrease the level of significance to 1%, what would happen to the probability of making a type 2 error and the power of the test? Is it choice A, that neither the probability of a type 2 error nor the power of the test would change? Is it B, both the probability of a type 2 error and the power of the test would decrease? Is it C, that the probability of a type 2 error would increase and the power of the test would decrease? Or is it D, the probability of a type 2 error would decrease and the power of the test would increase? Well, we can say definitely that option A is incorrect because changing the level of significance can affect both the probability of the type 2 error and the power of the test. So having neither of them being impacted is completely wrong. Option B is also incorrect because decreasing the significance level increases the probability of a type 2 error and decreases the power of the test. Answer choice B has both of them being decreases. Option C is the correct answer because decreasing the significance level increases the likelihood of accepting the null hypothesis when it is actually false, which means the probability of the type 2 error would increase and the power of the test would decrease. And choice D is incorrect because the probability of the type 2 error and the power of the test are inversely related, and we already know that the type 2 error would increase because the researcher reduced or lowered the level of significance. Therefore, the answer is choice C.